What are the common filing status mistakes for first-time tax filers? Imagine filing your taxes and realizing later you could have saved hundreds of dollars or claimed a benefit you missed. That's what happens when you choose the wrong filing status. Many first-time filers make simple mistakes that can cost them money or cause delays. The most common error is picking the wrong status because they don't fully understand the options. For example, some people file as single when they should be claiming head of household. Filing as head of household can give you a bigger standard deduction, over $6,000 more, meaning less tax owed. But to qualify, you need to be unmarried, pay more than half the household expenses, and have a qualifying dependent living with you. Another mistake is choosing married filing separately when they could benefit more from filing jointly. Filing separately often disqualifies you from credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit. It also limits deductions for student loan interest or education expenses. Sometimes, first-time filers don't realize that their household situation affects their status. For example, in Latino families where multiple generations live together, it's important to know if you can claim a dependent or qualify for head of household. Misunderstanding dependents is another common error. If you have children or elderly relatives living with you, you might be able to claim them as dependents, which can change your filing status. But you need to meet specific rules, like providing more than half their support and living with you for more than half the year. Filing status mistakes also happen when people don't update their status after big life changes. Getting married, divorced, or widowed can change your filing options. If you don't update this information, you might miss out on better benefits or accidentally claim the wrong status. To avoid these errors, first-time filers should review IRS guidelines carefully or ask a tax professional for help. Talk with family members about who will claim dependents to prevent double claims. Think about how each filing status impacts your deductions and credits. Keep records like proof of residency and financial support for dependents to back up your choice. Getting your filing status right is key to making sure you pay the right amount of taxes and get the maximum refund. In Latino families, where family roles and household arrangements can be complex, taking the time to understand your options can make a big difference. Making sure you choose the correct status from the start helps you avoid delays, audits, and paying more than you owe.